Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Guys, guess what? Today I'm gonna unbox my kitchen set. So my brother is gonna stay in my whole video today. So yeah, I'm gonna use my blade to cut it out, and I'm really excited. It's a bit hard to cut. So my mother ordered it surprisingly, even I don't know that she ordered it for me. Okay. It's all newspaper inside. Cardboard, everywhere cardboard. Okay. This one is it's made up of iron, but I don't know what we say that. And this is the thing which we make tiny idlis or like that. And then I have a pan which we could make chapatis on it. And I have a stove. The stove is really nice. And I have this thing is a kadai. Look at this. It's like the real one. And I have this thing. Even I don't know what it is. And then I have like this thing which we take out of the oil, and the one which we mix things, and a thing which we like turn the dosa and all like that. And this is from my cookware shop. Okay, I'm sorry, it's my cookware shop. And then I have this thing. What's that? Okay, this is like to take the chapati, turn the chapati out. And I got this. Look at this. It's the olden time knife. It's really sharp. Wow, these are really great. I like them. Wow, they were really good. So I got, maybe this thing is like to take out the stuff from the a tiny bowl one and to take it out, like if it doesn't come out. My brother is like drinking it like a soup. And I have the kadai. I like this one a lot, and I like everything. My brother is playing a lot. And this is another surprise. And it's a cooker. It's hard. Oh, it's like the real cooker. Look at that. Look at it. How nice it is. We could also open it in this way. It's hard. I can't able to open it. Okay, it's coming out. Safely I came out. And yeah, we could again put it like this. Actually, I can't able to. But it came. And look at that vessel. It's like the real one. And also the label which they have gave is like the real thing. Hawkins. And also the boxing is like the real thing, like aside, like with the cooker and that rice bowl and everything. I like it a lot. Okay guys, bye. See you guys in the next video.